Hey everyone, so the Android show just happened and there are a bunch of updates for Android 16 already, even before Google I/O has been started. So let's go through this blog post. We just dropped an I/O edition of the Android show where we unpacked exciting new releases coming to the Android ecosystem, a fresh and dynamic look, feel, smart across your devices, and enhanced safety and security feature. Join Samir Sampath, president of Android ecosystem and the Android team, to learn about exciting new developments in this episode below and read about all of the updates for users. Tune into Google I/O next week, including developer keynote as well as full Android track of section where we are covering these topics in more details and how you can get started. So start building with Material 3 Expressive. The world of UX design is constantly evolving and you deserve the tools to create truly engaging and impactful experiences. That's why Material Design's latest evolution, Material 3 Expressive, provides new ways to make your product more engaging, easy to use and desirable. Learn more and try out the new Material 3 Expressive, an expansion pack designed to enhance your app's appeal by harnessing emotional UX, making it more engaging, intuitive and desirable for user. It comes with new components, motion physics systems, types, styles, colors, shapes and more. Material 3 Expressive will be coming to Android 16 later this year. Check out the Google I/O talk next week where we will dive into this in more detail. A fluid design built for your watch round display. Wear OS 6 arriving later this year brings Material 3 Expressive design to Google's smartwatch platform. New design language puts the round watch display at the heart of the experience and is embraced in every single component and motion of the system. From buttons to notifications, you will be able to try new visual design and upgrade existing app experiences to new level. Next week, tune into what's new in Android session to learn more. Plus some goodies in Android 16. We also unpacked some of the latest features coming to users in Android 16, which we have been previewing with you for the last few months. If you haven't already, you can try out the latest beta of Android 16. A new features that Android 16 adds, which developers should pay attention to, are live updates, professional media and camera features, desktop windowing for tablets, major accessibility enhancement and much more. Live updates allow your app to show time sensitive progress updates. Use the new progress style template for an improved experience around navigation, deliveries and rideshare. Professional media and camera features include hybrid auto exposure, precise color temperature and tint adjustment, night mode scene detection and support for the new advanced professional video format. You can watch the what's new in Android session and live updates talk to learn more. So tune in to next week for Google I/O. So yeah, these are all the things which Android 16 has already been announced for. Thank you for watching. Bye.